Today Jobs Special News, the 23rd of February 2025. India's job market is currently navigating a period of significant transformation, marked by both challenges and emerging opportunities. Recent graduates are facing a particularly tough landscape, with many struggling to find their footing in the professional world. The competition for entry-level positions is fierce, and the skills demanded by employers are constantly evolving. This has led to a situation where many young people are finding it difficult to secure their first jobs, despite having academic qualifications. Even seasoned professionals are not immune to the current market dynamics. Many are finding it challenging to switch jobs or advance their careers within their current organizations. Companies are becoming more selective in their hiring processes, placing a greater emphasis on experience, specialized skills, and adaptability. This has resulted in a longer and more complex job search process for many experienced individuals. On the employer side, companies across various sectors are grappling with the challenge of finding candidates with the right skills and experience. The rapid pace of technological advancements has created a skills gap, where the demand for certain specialized skills outstrips the available supply. This has led to increased competition among employers for top talent, driving up salaries and benefits in certain sectors. The current economic climate is also playing a significant role in shaping the job market. Uncertainties in the global economy, coupled with domestic factors such as inflation and policy changes, are making companies more cautious about hiring and expansion. Many businesses are adopting a wait-and-see approach, delaying hiring decisions and focusing on cost optimization. The IT sector, which has been a major driver of employment in India, is also experiencing a slowdown. The global tech industry is facing headwinds, with many companies cutting back on hiring and even laying off employees. This has had a ripple effect on the Indian IT sector, leading to a decrease in job opportunities and increased competition for available positions. Other sectors, such as manufacturing, retail, and hospitality, are also facing their own set of challenges. The manufacturing sector is grappling with issues such as rising input costs, supply chain disruptions, and increased competition from global players. The retail sector is undergoing a major transformation, with the rise of e-commerce and changing consumer preferences. The hospitality sector, which was severely impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic, is still in the process of recovery. Amidst these challenges, there are also emerging opportunities in certain sectors. The renewable energy sector, for example, is witnessing significant growth, driven by government initiatives and increasing awareness about climate change. The healthcare sector is also expanding, driven by an aging population and increasing demand for quality healthcare services. To navigate this complex and evolving job market, job seekers need to be proactive and adaptable. They should focus on developing in-demand skills, such as digital literacy, data analysis, and problem solving. Networking is also crucial, as it can help job seekers connect with potential employers and learn about unadvertised job opportunities. Companies, on the other hand, need to invest in training and development programs to bridge the skills gap and attract top talent. They should also focus on creating a positive work environment and offering competitive compensation and benefits packages. It is important for both job seekers and employers to stay informed about the latest trends and developments in the job market. Resources such as industry reports, online job portals, and career counseling services can provide valuable insights and guidance. In conclusion, the Indian job market is facing a challenging period, but it is also a time of transformation and opportunity. By understanding the underlying issues and taking appropriate measures, both job seekers and employers can overcome these obstacles and create a more robust and resilient job market. Please note, this news is for informational purposes only and should not be considered advice. For more updates and career tips, Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram.